Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decorations. I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you'll get the notification first. And which room decor, don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you will like this video. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration, the wall, the floor and the bed and all, and the lights and all, very beautiful decoration, white color theme. And also you can see the pink color table, you can see the decoration and all, very beautiful, the wall decoration very beautiful looking. It's also very beautiful, you can see the wall black color or maybe blue color, dark blue, very beautiful decoration, it's looking very good. And it's also the green color wall, you can see beautiful green color wall, and the floor also you can see very beautiful decoration. And also you can see the roof and the wall, you can see the lights and all, very beautiful decoration. And the floor also very beautiful. And also you can see the floor, the bed, you can see the mirrors and all, you can see the floor and the walls, very beautiful decoration, looking very good. And also you can see the mirror, backside mirrors, you can see the lights and all, very beautiful. And the floor also you can see a good, very good design. And this also you can see the floor, the wall and all, the roof, the beautiful paintings and the decoration and all, very beautiful. This also very beautiful, you can see the bed and the floor, white color bed, wall and the doors and all, very beautiful. The mirror, and this also you can see the wall, black color wall, and the place you can keep up your any expensive thing or small plants you can keep for decoration, and the lamp also. And this also you can see the roof, you can see beautiful, it's for decoration, and the beautiful lights. And you can see the sides also, very beautiful lights and all, very good. And this also you can see the lights, the floor, the lights and all, very beautiful decoration, very good. And this also is also very beautiful, you can see the floor and the roof, you can see beautiful mirror, full of mirrors, very beautiful decoration you can see. And this also you can see the AC, the walls and the floor, wooden theme floor, very beautiful. And the wall also very beautiful, black color wall. And it's also very beautiful, you can see the wall, you can see the curtains, you can see very beautiful decoration you can see. And the floor also is also very beautiful, you can see the bed, the floor and all, very beautiful decoration. The wall also black color, very beautiful and all. And it's also you can see the area, you can see the small area you can keep your things for books and all, very beautiful. And the decoration is very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get a notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.